Now this little guy has been coming to the house for days and days, and I keep thinking somebody's knocking on the window. When I get there, it's just this guy doing his thing, trying to get in, snooping. I don't know, he's not looking at his reflection or anything, but he's convinced there's something in here he needs to have. But what that is, I don't know. Anybody got any ideas? Look at the poor little guy. He's going to break his face. Poor little bugger. And he doesn't stay to one window pane. He goes to any one he likes. He swaps around. He flutters. Just looking in. And he stays a long time. It's a little bit annoying. Poor little guy. But any ideas would be helpful. You can email me at alex@shelburnefreelancer.com before this little guy breaks his beak.